In this video, I will explain the Assistant folder. This folder can only be used when the project has an Assistant license. An assistant can create assistant bins for the editors. If we take a look at this source bin, you can see that it is locked. Assistant bins are not. Let me show you how they work. I create a bin which I call Assistant 190205, which is the date the source bin was created. I then drag the shots from the source bin to the assistant bin. I then close the source bin and get a warning that the changes can't be saved, which is what we want, because when you open the source bin again, all shots are still there. In my assistant bin, I want to color code the different shots. I select purple, orange, and green. Then I create a sequence and put all 3 shots in the timeline for the editor to look at. I then rename the sequence. I close the bin to save it and drag it to the Assistant folder. The bins in the Assistant folder are not sent to the server using sync. The reason is that the assistant might want to prepare several bins before sending them to the editors. Since the metadata is sent every 5 minutes when Enable Auto Transfer is selected, you might send away bins which are not ready to be sent. The Assistant license has an additional menu item, Send Assistant Bins. When I select it, the bin in the Assistant folder is sent to the server. The bin also disappears from my Assistant folder, but is not gone. In case you need to check something in a sent bin, you can find it with Finder. It is located inside the DejaEdit Assistant folder in your Media Composer project. Assistant bins should only be sent once, to avoid conflicting bins in Media Composer. Now that the assistant bin is sent, I go to the Editor 2 computer. I start by doing a sync. The first time you receive an assistant bin, you might need to close and open the DejaEdit folder so the assistant folder shows up. Assistant Carl has sent this bin, and when I open it, there is no warning about it being locked. The colors on the shots are there, and when I open the sequence, I can edit in it and save the sequence directly into the assistant bin. I can drag the assistant bin out of the assistant folder and it will not appear again. Well, how does this look if I go to a Media Composer connected to an Avid Nexus? The Assistant folder shows up here as well. When I open it, I find the same assistant bin, which is not locked since it has a green lock icon. And when I open the sequence, I can edit in it and save the sequence directly into the assistant bin. I can drag the assistant bin out of the assistant folder and it will not appear again. So if you throw away the bin, it's gone. This is true for both DejaEdit Client and DejaEdit Nexus. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website.